Namaste everyone, my name is Shriish Supratik and I am putting this video for the tribal cuisine competition, and my tribe, the Unami tribe from the Nagaland, is a very exclusive tribe.
It is an indigenous tribe that inhabit in the hilly regions and are very famous to grow wet rice, hence growing black rice for their daily consumption. They have a very rich history with a lot of fierce battles and a tradition to make their own clothes and a lot of handicrafts. Speaking of how I was introduced to the Angami tribe cuisine is when I went there myself in Nagaland to explore the northeast cuisine, where I met few tribes, and the Angami tribe food was so minimalistic and close to nature that each and every spice complemented itself. The food is never rich, the spices never compete to get on each other. Each and every spice complement each other to make the dish rise. Today I am making one of the staple dish, smoked chicken with Axone and bamboo shoot spiced with king chili, and on the sides I have black rice cultivated by the Angami tribe with some perilla seed chutney and Axone and king chili pickle to complement the dish. All the ingredients that I use for this dish is authentically from the Angami tribe and cultivated by them. I have taken 2 full chicken leg with skin to prepare this dish. I have marinated this chicken with the basic spices, turmeric, red chili powder, salt, and a little bit of bamboo shoot leaves, and tossed it for the marination. I kept it aside for a while. After it was rested, I greased a tray and placed the chicken on it to prepare it for the smoking. Smoking the chicken is very important for the authentic taste. I used the combi oven for smoking the chicken and get the flavor. Meanwhile, the chicken was getting smoked. I started my other preparations. First with the rice. I washed the rice and soaked it for a while before putting it on the flame. The rice takes a little longer to cook compared to the white normal rice we are used to eat. It has a chewy and a sticky texture with a slightly nutty flavor. Even a simple dessert known as nap nang is made using the black rice of Nagaland. Next, I started with the preparation for the curry. I sliced few onions, garlic and ginger. I allowed the pan to heat up with some oil. Then I started sauteing the ginger and garlic with For the perilla seed chutney, we need soaked perilla seeds with 1 green chili, salt and sugar, and blend it well. For plating, I swirled a good amount of perilla seed chutney, and by the side I plated Axone and king chili pickle, and I garnished the chutney with spring onion. For the garnishing of the rice, I placed boiled spring onion on top of it, as the Nagamis eat a lot of boiled food. To beautify my dish, I placed a flower on the spring onion and a bamboo shoot dry leaves on the chicken.